Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to seal the boiler. The one that you see right here. We made sure that there were no gaskets leaking or anything like that. And we also had to replace this valve right here. We also replaced this one as well because it was in really bad condition. So right now the pressure of the boiler, as you can see, is pretty high. We have no leaks coming out through here or anywhere. Everything looks nice in here, dry. And the steamer, it's not leaking anymore as it was doing with this valve over here. Nice powerful steam coming out through the machine. Working great. Excellent flow coming out from the group head. And also the gauge moves all the way back in there. Steady stream coming out through the portafilter. Good flow from the shower head, no leaks coming out from the portafilter, working great. And hot water also working as well. So there you have it. Breville BES 900XL working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.